Don't know if the camera can pick this up, but we've rounded the ice gate. We're sailing along in about 30 knots of breeze, and I can see no less than a quarter of a mile away, level pegging with another yacht. I think it's Miranda on 40 degrees. The last polling showed she was some way ahead. It's a heavily reefed mainsail, 3 reefs at least. Definitely a Transat race boat. If it is Miranda, we've pulled back a shed load. I just hope it's not someone from behind catching us. It's too rough to see the colour of the hull.